Om Swastiastu! Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Balinese shredded chicken with sambal matah. So for this recipe, I'm going to use 250 gram chicken breast, 6 bird eye chili, 8 shallot, 1 garlic, kaffir lime fruit, and kaffir lime leaf. And also I'm going to use ginger flower, lemongrass, salt, ground white pepper, white sugar, coconut oil, and iceberg lettuce for the plating later. So let's start. First thing I'm going to do is cook the chicken. I'm going to add splash of coconut oil, around 1 tablespoon. I'm going to put a pinch of salt and a pinch of ground white pepper to the chicken. Cook until both sides is cooked later. So while we cook the chicken, we're going to prepare the sambal. So first thing I'm going to do for the sambal matah and slice thinly the shallot. So one side of the chicken is cooked, so let's turn it over. And now I'm going to chop the garlic. I'm using 6 bird eye chili. If you don't like really spicy, you can change with the big red chili. And you can put as much as you want. So I'm going to remove the seed from the chili. So now I'm going to slice the chili thinly. And now I'm going to slice the lemongrass. So I just use the soft part of the lemongrass. I think the chicken is cooked already. We'll let it rest until it's cooled down, because on this recipe we use the cool chicken actually. So now I'm going to cut the ginger flower. I'm going to use around 2 tablespoons. That's enough. And let's mix everything together in the bowl first while we're waiting the chicken cool down. I'm going to put 2 kaffir lime fruit, and I'm going to add 1 kaffir lime fruit juice. Oh, don't forget to remove the seed. And I'm going to add a pinch of salt and tiny pinch of sugar. I will mix the sambal matah first before I shredded the chicken. So I think now the chicken is cool enough to handle, so I will shred the chicken now. So the last one, I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoons of coconut oil. So we mix again. This is a very popular dish in our home because we always make this dish after we had the offering. In the offering, when we put a grilled chicken and finish offering, we back home, we make the shredded the chicken and we mix with sambal matah, having with rice and some vegetables such a long bean salad or whatever we have, and such a great thing to do. And I promise you, it's a taste really, really good. So now let's plate it. So now I'm going to put the shredded chicken sambal matah inside here. It's my son's sound, I'm really sorry, he's calling for me. Now I'm going to add another kaffir lime leaf for garnish. Here we are, Balinese shredded chicken with sambal matah. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes and see you next time. Matur suksma, bye bye.